everybody. So you saw the drawers that I removed, and if you go back in our other videos, you'll remember that we actually had 4 drawers right here, plus a little open shelf, and we removed that, and I used the gaps that were between each of the drawers as a spacer and reinstalled them so it's got a nice factory look. But now I have a fireplace in the bedroom, which gives off 5,100 BTUs of heat. And we tested it this morning. I tested it before I installed it, but we tested it this morning because it was about 60 degrees in here. And you heated up this room, even on low heat, it heated up this room to the desired temperature in just a couple of minutes. What's nice about this one, and I can put a link in the description, I actually got this on Wayfair. It does have a remote for it, but what's nice is it actually has a timer, which most of them have. It also has a thermostat on here, so I have low heat, high heat, and then I can do temperature control on it as well, so that when it hits the desired temperature, it will shut off. Like right there, I just put it on 0, so it's 0 degrees, and it'll just be the fan. And then I can, it'll shut off once it does its little system check. And there you go. And then I also have my lighting. I have 5 different lighting settings, and I typically use number 1 because it's got that nice ambiance. Ambiance. But that's it, folks. I was going to record a little bit more of that, but I kind of forgot. I got a little excited and wanted to get it done, so I apologize for that. But it was a pretty easy deal. It was literally pull the drawers out. There was 1 safety screw in each of the rails in the front, and then it's a simple metal clasp in the back that slides in. And then taking these little gaps out, which there was 2 pocket screws in each side, and then just moving them down and installing it, and that was it. So total time to install this was probably less than an hour. So just a nice little setup. And this unit, they had it online on like Walmart and a couple of other places for like $170, $180, and I found it on Wayfair, the exact same one, for $90. So it cost me less than $100 with shipping to get it here, and I got it within 2 or 3 days. So I'll make sure that I put a link in the description for the unit, and that way if you guys like it, you can get one for yourself. Bye for now.